Hello and welcome. NetworkOnMainThread exception is a pretty popular exception among those new to Android development. This exception is mainly thrown whenever an application attempts to make a networking operation, like an API call or HTTP request on its main thread. The other aspect of this exception is that it is only thrown by applications targeting the Honeycomb SDK or higher. First of all, check URL we are using for request making. You can see URL we are using for request is working. Have a look at this code. Now run this application. You can see NetworkOnMainThread exception. Let's make it work. Android provides a class called AsyncTask. AsyncTask enables proper and easy use of the UI thread. This class allows to perform background operations and publish results on the UI thread without having to manipulate threads or handlers. Let me modify this code to use AsyncTask. Now run this application. As you can see here, we have received our response without exception. Main point to remember here is you should make all network requests into the background thread. Thank you.